YouTube, it's your boy King Kilo. Today I'm going to give you guys my December 2023 pickups of last year. So I wasn't able to do this video last year with the holidays going on and then family being in town and everything like that. I wasn't able to drop this video, but today I'm going to drop this video for you guys and get it started. So before I do that, before I get into the few pair of shoes that I picked up in December, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and subscribe to your boy, drop a like on this video, and leave some comment down below and tell me if you guys like what I picked up in the month of December. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into that video. So I'm gonna start with the first shoe I got in December, which is the A Ma Maniére 3s. So I picked these up early December, right after my birthday. So right after my birthday, I was like, you know what? I wanted to cop some shoes, and these are shoes I ended up copping. These are indeed pre-owned, so I did buy them used, but they look super clean. Like, as you guys can see, they're super clean. Nothing really wrong with them. And I got them off eBay. So I think I paid about $298 or like almost $300. I didn't pay $300, but I almost paid like $300. But $298, I think, shipping and everything. And I bought it because I had these at first when they first dropped. So when A Ma Maniére did the raffle thing, like in the beginning for the Jordan 3s, I bought them, but then I sold them. I sold them for like $800 because I was like, you know what? Like, I paid $225. Let me sell these for a quick $8 and get my money, right? So that's what I ended up doing. I was like, I regretted it ever since. I was like, you know what? I wanted to cop these shoes. I really wanted them in my collection. So I ended up rebuying them for like $75 over retail, like what they cost back in the day, because it was $225. So you know what I'm saying? I don't think I really did that bad. So I was like, all right, $298 ain't really that bad for your boy, you feel me? So that was the first pickup of the month of December. My second pickup was actually these Jordan 4 royalties. So these, as you can see, are really clean as well. And I bought these used as well. So I paid $100 for these, $100. And I know, like, going on like Go or something like that, like, people are selling these for like $200. And I ended up finding somebody on eBay and I got a good deal on them. So like, this is the other pair right here. I got the other pair, super clean, still got all the stars, not dirty for real. You know what I'm saying? The backs are clean and everything like that. The suede is like still clean too, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, except for like the back. I think like the back, like right there, is like not as clean, but like you don't really see that because, you feel me, everybody looking at the front of your shoe. But I paid $100 for these, y'all, $100. And I was like, bro, like, you feel me, like, I'll buy them, like, I'll buy them like right now, dude, send me the information. I ended up paying for them, legit checked them and everything, boom, everything checked out, $100. So right now the total is $398 for two pairs of shoes that I bought in the month of December. Okay, we're on the third pair now. Okay, boom, third pair. The Yeezy 350 Sesames. So I bought these on eBay as well, and I think I paid about $140 for them, $140 for these. So I don't even know what the math is. I ain't gonna even try to do the math, but I paid $140 for these. But I'm gonna add it up for y'all right over here, all right? You feel me? I'm gonna add it up. Paid $140 for these. These damn near brand new, bro. Brand new. Paid $140. And these brand new are going for like $300. Like, they're like $300. I paid $140 for these things. And the bottoms is not even that dirty, bro. Like, y'all can see that right there. The bottoms is not even dirty. I think the dude wore them like a few times. Even the inside, he still got like the Adidas right there. You know what I'm saying? Still got the Adidas. And I wore these like 4 times, like, from me. So like, I really just be finding like steals, and I be copping the shoes, because I'm like, bro, you feel me? Like, if y'all not finna wear them, I'm finna wear this shit. Like, what? Like, I'm finna wear this. So you feel me? That's the third shoe I got in the month of December. I paid $140 for those. Paid $100 for the royalty, and I paid $298 for the three. So these 3 pairs of shoes right now, I don't know what the total I'm sitting at, but I'm gonna put it up there. But I ain't really paid that much for real. And I got them at like different times, you feel me? So the 4th shoe that I got in the month of December was, boom, the reverse Grinches. I got these boys on exclusive access, but I never get exclusive access on anything. I never get exclusive access. So the fact that I got exclusive access for these, and I'm a hooper, bro. So like, you feel me? Like, go ahead and check them videos down below, bro. I get active, bro. Don't play with me. Really get active. But I'm a hooper, and I have not been able to hit on Kobe's for like 2 years. It's been 2 years since I hit on a pair of Kobe's. And like, I got these for retail, so you feel me? I was geek. But I got these on exclusive access. Boom, the reverse Grinches. These things are butter, bro. I love these shoes right now. I ain't even worn them yet. These Dead Star, I ain't even worn these yet, but I'm finna put these on soon. I'm finna wear these soon. But I got these brand new. And you feel me? RIP my dog Kobe, but the GOAT, man. GOAT, man. I was waiting for these since 2020. Since AD played in these on the Christmas game, I think it was like 2022, I think he played in these. Bro, I've been waiting for these, bro. And then we just got them like last year. So, you feel me? This is another pickup of my December pickup. And I paid $190 retail for these. These are $190. Okay. The last shoe I got for y'all is the SB Powerpuff Girl Buttercups. This is my last pickup of December. I ain't buying nothing else. So this was the last shoe that I got in December, and like the Grinches, I got these exclusive access. So you feel me? I was geek. I ain't wear these yet either. I was thinking about wearing these, but I don't know yet. You feel me? I don't know. But this is a solid colorway, because I can probably put these on right now for real. Put these on right now. They go with what I got on. But this is a solid colorway. I hate these on exclusive access. I tried to get the other two. I really would have liked to cop the bubble pair, but you know, I wasn't as lucky as I was with these. And I paid $110 for these. So these went for $130, and then it would have been $145, like after tax and everything like that, shipped to your house. But I had like a $25 like Nike gift card on my account that I forgot about, and I ended up getting these for $110. So I think they go for like $300 right now. They go for like $300, but I paid $110 for these. So yeah, that was the last shoe I copped, and all the graphics and stuff like that. Let me pull out the other shoe, man. See how I can see it up close. And I already dropped a video on these, so you feel me? Y'all can go check the video out. It's over there somewhere. But you know what I'm saying? This the other pair, just sitting in the box for real. They just sitting now in the box. But yeah, this is the last pair of shoes I picked up in December, man. Y'all go ahead. I think my top ones that I picked up was really the Grinches and the Armand Manera 3s. But y'all let me know how y'all like my December pickup list. You feel me? If y'all would cop anything, if y'all would have copped the same thing I copped, like, you feel me? Just let me know in the comment section below. But, you know what I'm saying? King Kilo just be trying to find the steals, bro. We not trying to pay retail, bro. I was a reseller for a long time. Stop doing that. Stop paying resale for a lot of stuff. Stop trying to get stuff early, bro. But you feel me? I buy what I like. You feel me? I buy what I like and I wear what I like. So y'all let me know if y'all mess with my December pickup list. If not, y'all go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. But thank you for tuning in and watching this video. It's your boy King Kilo. Thank you, King Kilo family. Go ahead, share this video, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and that's pretty much it. Peace. I'm out.